Hi everyone, this is Glenda Ganzon and welcome to my Human Anatomy and Physiology class. And for today's video, I'm going to discuss the functions of the endocrine system. So stay tuned. The endocrine system is the collection of glands that produce hormones that regulate metabolism, growth, and development, tissue function, sexual function, reproduction, sleep, and mood, among other things. The endocrine system is made up of the pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid glands, adrenal glands, pancreas, ovaries in female, and testicles in males. The word endocrine derives from the Greek word endo, meaning within, and krinis, meaning to secrete. In general, a gland selects and removes materials from the blood, processes them, and secretes the finished chemical product for the use somewhere in the body. The endocrine system also affects almost every organ in the cell in the body. Although the hormones circulate throughout the body, each type of hormone is targeted towards certain organs and tissues. So the endocrine system gets some help from organs such as the kidney, liver, heart, and gonads, which have secondary endocrine functions. The kidney, for example, secretes hormones such as erythropoietin and renin. And the thyroid also secretes a range of hormones that affect the whole body. Thyroid hormone impact a host of vital body functions, including heart rate, skin maintenance, growth, temperature, regulation, fertility, and digestion. And in this way, the thyroid gland is the body's master metabolic center. Brain, heart, kidney function as well as body temperature, growth and muscle strength, and much more are the mercy of thyroid function. And here are some other functions of the endocrine system. So the first function of the endocrine system is for water equilibrium. The endocrine system controls water equilibrium by regulating the solute concentration of the blood. The second function is the growth, metabolism, and tissue maturation. The endocrine system controls the growth of many tissues like the bone and muscle, and the degree of metabolism of various tissues, which aids in the maintenance of the normal body temperature and the normal mental functions. Maturation of tissues, which appears in the development of adult features and adult behavior, are also determined by the endocrine system. The third one is for heart rate and blood pressure management. The endocrine system assists in managing the heart rate and blood pressure and aids in the preparing the body for physical motion. The next one is immune system control. The endocrine system helps regulate the production and function of the immune cells. Another function of the endocrine system is the reproductive function controls. So the endocrine system regulates the development and the functions of the reproductive systems in males and females. The next one is for uterine contractions and milk release. So the endocrine system controls uterine contractions throughout the delivery of the newborn and stimulates milk release from the breast in the lactating females. Also, another function is ion management. The endocrine system regulates sodium, potassium, and calcium concentrations in the blood. And another function also is for blood glucose regulator or blood glucose regulation. The endocrine system controls blood glucose levels and other nutrient levels in the blood. And the second to the last function is the endocrine system direct gene activation. So being lipid-soluble molecules, the steroid hormones can diffuse through the plasma membranes of their target cells. And once inside, the steroid hormone enters the nucleus and binds to a specific receptor protein. There then, the hormone receptor complex binds to specific sites of or on the cell's DNA, activating certain genes to transcribe messenger RNA. The mRNA then is translated in the cytoplasm, resulting in the synthesis of the new proteins. And the last function of the endocrine system is it is the second messenger system. So water-soluble, non-steroidal hormones, protein, and peptide hormones are enabled to enter the target cells. So instead, they bind to receptors situated on the target cell's plasma membrane and utilize a second messenger system. So these are all the 10 functions of the endocrine system.